Welcome back to another video at Out of the Box Thrift, where we're trying to make sense of a hoarder's home, clear out, reorganize, and also make some money while doing so. Today we're tackling this little corner of the kitchen. Even though we're not going to resell any of this stuff, the kitchen is very important to be a space where we can move easily and work in it. Clearly, this was a bigger project than I was originally imagining as I start dropping things and finding doubles and triples of things that we don't really need. So in this process, a lot of what I'm doing is not only reorganizing, but I'm wiping things down, I'm condensing things, I'm rearranging where we keep items and taking out items, bringing some items to the front that we need to get rid of. Similar to a project pan, I don't want to just throw these items out. I want to make sure that we are eating them. But some of these old cereals, they've been in here for months, if not years. Luckily, they were closed up pretty tight. So I definitely took it on as a project to start eating cereal every morning for the next couple of weeks so that I can move through some of these cereals. The reason this video is being formatted just a little bit differently is because while I was filming this, there was construction going on in the dining room. We are in the process of redoing the floors in this house, finally making some moves on the actual construction. So there was a lot of crazy background noise. And here is an overview of what the floors are looking like. You can see in my other videos a little bit before and after. I'm also finding unopened chocolates that we got at Christmas time this year, last year. I've also found some treasures that are tucked away in here, like some of this skinny coffee or something that's supposed to be healthier for you and pause your metabolism or something silly like that. So I'm really making sure to bring items to the front that need some love, that need to be eaten and prioritized. Some of this stuff can definitely go into storage as well. As you saw, some of the toothpicks and other items like that, some of the coffee and tea, those can all go into storage or at least be moved out of this cabinet specifically. Since I started by clearing out this whole cabinet, this is what we're working with, all of the stuff that was shoved into that corner. This salt and pepper shaker I'll probably toss into a garage sale. I found a couple boxes of cookies that I need to condense because they're literally the same brand and they're both half-eaten for some reason. It's definitely interesting coming back to my childhood home and digging up, treasures that I never knew existed, or just kind of seeing what life's been like since I have been away. If you're new to this series, basically, my family lost my mom just over 2 years ago, and she was a little bit of a hoarder, and it's becoming obvious that there was a lot of work to be done throughout the house in every little corner. And so what I've been trying to do is tackle small parts, whether it be in my own childhood bedroom, parts of the basement, clearly cleaning out the kitchen. There's just a lot of stuff that's going unused that either can be sold, donated, or just eaten, like in this video. Definitely make sure that you are subscribed if you want to see more of this challenge. And my next video will be updates on how this is going and how much money I have made and how much I've been able to actually get rid of since the beginning of this project. My next thing I'm tackling is this little drawer that holds all of our coffee and tea and apparently accessories to go along with that. I found a lot of straws, a cheesecloth, a wine aerator, just a lot of random things. So for this part of the project, I'm just rearranging and making sure we're actually going to be using these items. It just needs to make a little more sense. On my main channel, I do a lot of traveling and adventure videos that will always be linked in the description, but basically my partner and I travel full-time for work, and while I'm home for a couple of months, I thought I'd take it upon myself to help my dad just clear some of this space. As you can see here, I moved some stuff around, just condensed a lot of our tea bags, mixed up a little bit where we're holding our K-cups and our reusable K-cups for the Keurig. And some of this stuff I'm actually going to be moving into a different cabinet to make the most of our space. I know this video has been formatted a little bit differently than the other videos in this series, but I want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video, for coming along for this journey. It's been quite interesting, and there's a lot more where that came from. So I'll do more in-depth deep dives about how it's felt emotionally in another video. But make sure you're subscribed if you want to see more of this series. And until next time, bye.